No, I didn't forget to record the audio. This is how we saw the start of Panasonic's CES 2020 keynote, with this very aggressive karate, I imagine Olympics gold medalist perhaps, doing her thing, throwing her arms around and causing all sorts of chaos to shadows and invisible people. And this actually went on this long and on, and Panasonic's keynote didn't get any better. They talked a lot about batteries, a lot about things no one was really interested in. And then just when you think things couldn't get worse or more embarrassing, they did. Panasonic have just completed their CES 2020 keynote, and it's a very odd one. Very little consumer technology announced, and it was very much left towards the end. Panasonic are in a hard place. They're between a rock and a hard place really in the last few years. They've suffered greatly at the hands of LG and Samsung. So Panasonic have kind of been forced in many ways to diversify greatly. And it seems that the majority, I would say 80%, 90% of this keynote was about their diversification into automotive and battery and industrial technologies. And it was only towards the end that we saw some new tech, I would say, from Panasonic, and it's not exciting. There's one new TV they mentioned, which was an OLED. Didn't mention a great deal about it. I don't even remember if they mentioned it was 4K or 8K. I believe maybe it was 8K, but I imagine it's probably not. They mentioned some earbuds and that they had the best noise cancelling from their that's available, and that was their Technics brand. And in the same breath, they mentioned that they also have the Panasonic brand of noise cancelling earbuds, which are probably just a rebadged version of the very same thing. They mentioned a small handful of sort of prosumer and professional cameras. Nothing great, nothing particularly interesting. And in fact, the only thing that really sticks out for me is this.
This is occupied. Okay. Hey, I'm Vi Marati, agent with the Resistance, and I have valuable intel that I need to get to the Resistance command. This parameter needs to be clear, so if I were you, I would have a seat. My partner's already hacking an uplink, but we're expecting a little bit of company. So, does anyone here know how to be a distraction or make the sounds of a porg? Yes? No? Okay, that's a no. Yes, thank you. All right, so we don't have any time for lessons. It's just we have to wing it. Oh boy, here we go. Pardon me? Remember, remain calm.
Recon 12 to command. Requesting all units to sector... What sector is this?
Sector 3.
Secure the perimeter. The resistance fighters will be found. Understood.
Hold it right there. Don't move.
Perimeter's clear.
What was that? Sounded like those weird little birds. A port.
A porg.
There it is again. All right. Who's got the porp?
Porg.
Someone does. Let's go. We've got a sector to cover.
Move.
Next time, we get Cantina recon.
Roger that.
Thanks for the cover, everyone. What's important is that you all remained calm under pressure, except for you two. Don't think I didn't notice that, but now we know what you need to work on. Hopefully you'll get it together. Come on up. My partner seemed to upload the link. Ready for transmit? Hey, buddy. One data card stolen and ready and accounted for. Nice work with the screen, by the way. Time to upload the link? You're right. You've all played a valuable part in helping the resistance today. Thank you for your assistance, and I'd be honored to work with you recruits anytime. You know, all it takes is one person to ignite the spark, and you can light the fire. All right, BB-8, let's roll.